So in today's video, we will talk about how to find the median of a grouped data. For that, let me write the formula for the median. We have median, usually represented by M, is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF. We'll talk about the notations later. Before that, let me write the equation first. N by 2 minus CF by F into H. This is the formula for the median. Now we will discuss about how will we find the values of L, N by 2, CF, etc. For that, let me consider an example here. Here we have a class interval and frequency, and next to the frequency I have to write cumulative frequency, CF. CF stands for the cumulative frequency. That is, CF is the cumulative frequency. How will we find the cumulative frequency? First we take the 5 as such, 5. Now what I am doing is, I am adding this 5 with 7. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Okay, you got it right. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now 12 plus 12 is 24. This way you can find the cumulative frequency. So 24 plus 10 is equal to 34. And 34 plus 6 is equal to 40. Okay, so this is the table for the cumulative frequency. Now, we have this one as the what's the number below the cumulative frequency. We have that as n. So here n is equal to 40. Listen this part carefully. We need to find the median class first. So that I have to take n by 2, which is equal to 40 by 2, and its value is, we know it's 20. Now you go to the cumulative frequency and select a number that is just greater than 20. Okay, that is, we have to go into the table of cumulative frequency and just take a number which is just greater than 20. So the number just greater than 20 is 24. Okay, so that is the median class. So this one is the median class. Now I can write all the terms. We have L is equal to, see this one, the lower limit of the median class, that is this 20 is the L. So L is equal to 20. Now frequency F, the frequency is 12. Okay, frequency is this one, 12. Now see the cumulative frequency CF, that is, in this equation we have a CF. CF is not 24 but the number before 24. See that, listen that part carefully. That is, cumulative frequency is not 24. That frequency is just behind the cumulative frequency of the median class, that is 12. Okay, so 12. Now H, for H, like we discussed in the in finding mode, you can take any interval. Let me take the median class itself. So the higher limit, that is 30 minus 20, which is equal to 10. So H is equal to 10. Okay. Now I can plug in all these values in here. So M is equal to, in order to find M, we have L is equal to 20 plus N by 2 is actually 20 minus cumulative frequency is 12 divided by frequency F is again 12 into H is 10. Simplifying this, you will get 20 plus 12 minus 20 minus 12 is 8. 8 by 12 into 10. This 8 and 12 goes in 4. 8 in 4 2 times. 12 in 4 3 times. So the answer is 20 plus 2 into 10 is 20 by 3. But we know 20 plus 20 by 3 is 6.67. It's 6.666, etc. So I can round it as 6.67. So the median is 26.67. Okay. Now let me take another example. See, we have a class interval and a frequency, and we know the formula for median is median m is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Now we need to find all these values. For that, first what I have to do, I have to write the cumulative frequency. So let me draw a table separately for cumulative frequency. And as we discussed, how will we find the cumulative frequency? First, you just write the 3 here again. Now 3 plus 6, which is equal to 9. 9 plus 4, which is equal to 13. 13 plus 4, which is equal to 17. 17 plus 3 is equal to 20. And the number at the bottom of the cumulative frequency gives the n. So n in here is 20. Now I have to take n by 2. N by 2 is equal to 20 by 2, which is equal to 10. Now what I need to do? I need to find a number just after 10 in the cumulative frequency. So the number just after 10 is 13, right? So that will be our median class. So this is the median class. And this is the lower limit L. So L is equal to 120. What we have F? F is equal to this one, 4. And as I said before, the cumulative frequency is the frequency just below the median class. That is just below the 13. Just behind the 13. Okay. So this one is the cumulative frequency. So Cf is equal to 9. Again, this 13 is not the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is the number behind the 13. Behind this one. Okay. Now, again, h is equal to, I can take any class, that is 140 minus 120. That is upper limit minus lower limit gives the h. That will be 20. Okay, so h is equal to 20. Now let me plug in all these values in median. So m is equal to, we have L equal to 120, 120 plus n by 2. How much is n by 2? That's 10. 10 minus cumulative frequency is 9 divided by frequency is 4 into 20. Okay, so 120 plus this one is 1 by 4 into 20. And you can cancel this 4 and 20. The answer will be 5. So 120 plus 5, that will give 125. So the median of this class is 125. Clear?